Welcome back to Tutorial Next. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with my BoxyCharm.
Yay!
And we're kind of in a rushing one, so if you see us in the same outfits, we're going to be doing 3 videos back to back. I just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay, opening it looks like that.
And we talk fast, but hopefully we don't have to talk so fast, but just show
I
quickly everything. That's what I was thinking.
And then
don't forget to join our giveaway by subscribing and leaving a comment on the video that we'll leave in the description
the
box.
inside looks like that.
I just keep saying that.
I feel like I got this.
Okay.
Oh,
I have one of those too.
I know we just got this.
They just smell
we
good.
must have got it in our beauty fix, maybe.
I think so. It
Okay,
smells
so you
so
got
good.
this. But I like lotion.
Yeah,
and
I
stuff.
know.
Okay, and then this is. Oh, this must be like lashes. I mean, it says lashes, so duh. It looks like that on the front, and then like I don't know if you guys can see like that. Anyway, so
open and
I'm trying to. Oh wait, it goes this way.
Yeah, it looks like
If all spells bat your lashes. Aw, that's cute.
That is cute.
Aw, some fake lashes.
Maybe I would want that for
I was like, we're going on vacation, so maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like, I like that.
Oh, okay. This is like 3 brushes.
And I guess if you want to get brushes,
Like
it's a good
brushes.
box to get. I don't really like brushes. I mean, I probably need new ones, but like,
And then,
I just don't use very many.
I feel like this is the exact same thing I've gotten from them before.
It looks familiar.
But maybe it's a different color. It's charcoal, Jante Blue, as I say it? Or Jante Blue? I don't know. I'm guessing an eyeliner. I didn't even look at it long enough because we're trying to make these short. And then, Ofra, I know I have one of their
It's a very brownish, like,
lipsticks already. I'm pretty sure. Different shape though, I think.
how much is this box normally?
Oh gosh.
25, 24, 21. 21.
I'm gonna knock everything over. I think it's like, can you just hold the boxes? I'm like, I think it's like 21, I think, or 22 or 26. I don't know. I'll have to look. I don't even know what this says. Alamar?
Well, it said
Reina
Reina,
del
yeah, something on the
Reina del Caribe.
Caribe.
So that's what the front looks like. I'm trying to make this fast, so I guess I should just
Another
like.
palette, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty.
Blues.
This is tropical.
I don't own a lot of blues. I only have like 2, and they're actually kind of old.
Okay, you can do a 4th of July
And
look.
then this is a little book it came with. I always show these at the end for some reason. I don't know why I do that, or actually it's not a book. It's like a little pull-out thing. Does it go any bigger than that now? Just like that? Showing me what I got? Maybe trying to get me ready for my, I don't know, get my beach body ready or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just rambling.
And she's still working out, so I'm still so proud of her because I'm still not. But that was it for this video. Let us know what you think of this box and if you would get it or if you do get it and what time of the month you get it. And don't forget to join our giveaway that I mentioned before. You have to be subscribed and leave a comment in that video. We'll put that down below. And thanks for joining us again. We'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.